How to update Reelshot app manually. Keeping your Reelshot app updated manually ensures that you have the latest features, bug fixes, and best performance. This guide will show you simple steps to manually update Reelshot on your iPhone. First, unlock iPhone and open the App Store application. It's the blue icon with a white A usually on your iPhone's home screen in your app library. At the bottom right corner of the App Store, tap on search icon and then tap on the search bar at the top. Then tap Reelshot. Tap search on your keyboard to find the apps page. If an update is available, you'll see blue update button next to the Reelshot app icon. Tap on it and the update will download and install automatically. If you only see an open button, your app is already up to date. You can also check for updates from a profile picture in the App Store. You've successfully updated the Reelshot app manually. Enjoy the newest features. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot tips and tricks.